Hi guys, hope you're doing great. This time, Huo Zun is gonna sing to us his original song. Yay, finally, because he went on a project. I am a singer, composer. Let me say that. Let me botch it. 我是唱作人. That's pretty good if I do say so myself. Okay, so this is a song that he created because he was inspired by Michael Jackson, and this is the second of all the songs, of 10 songs, his own songs that he presented to the public. And as you can see, he cut his hair. Oh my. Let's do this. Oh yes. Okay, he didn't cut his hair. It's so grand. Of course he's so handsome.
大家好，我是唱作人霍尊，为大家带来的歌曲是我多年前写的一首老歌，致敬我的在音乐上的第一位领路人，我的偶像Michael Jackson。他在我心里永远都是不死鸟。这首歌的名字也叫做《不死鸟》，请多指教，谢谢。
Honestly, I did not even know that Michael Jackson was his model. Because, I would think that he would dance more if he was his role model. Oh, that's nice. He plays the piano. My, he's a mystery.
渔火就像永远乐此不疲，重新照亮你的眼。
Oh, nice.
别贪恋我梦里那锈迹斑斑的过往，再爱也难。
Oh, this is the color on him. Oh my.
我不爱承诺人间解脱你的发尾。相遇的细节动人你浓。橘色的凤凰站在你身旁，那只是遥远的过往。真实的凤凰曾飞过天上，快许下愿望。离去的凤凰在云端回望，在你心里留下。
Heat. Okay, I'm sorry, not hard. Fantasies in my dream. Oh! It does remind me of Michael Jackson, actually. It's so light and bouncy. Who helped him? I don't hear the piano anymore. Oh, that's the competitor. That's also a contestant. And the stage was amazing. He's jamming. Sorry. It was hard. It was hard, not heat. I thought it looked weird. Oh. That's a nice touch. That's a good R&B. I think it's an R&B.
是遥远的过往。城市的凤凰曾飞过天上，快许下愿望。逝去的凤凰在云端辉煌，在你心里留下奢望。
Oh, and the leg. Oh my god.
只剩下幻想，在我梦境里跌宕。不见了凤凰，只剩下幻想，在我梦境里跌宕。
Oh yeah. Feel that. Feel that ending. Yeah. Ah, and Syncopa. Oh my goodness. That was. Please stop. That was honestly so good. I did not expect first, I did not expect for Huo to be very much interested actually in popular music, right? R&B styles. I'm shocked. I'm positively shocked. Okay, not that shocked. He always told he always said in his interviews that his desire was to connect the old, like the Chinese Beijing opera style, and the new with something modern. But I never thought he ventured and wrote songs even in the modern style, in the R&B style. I mean, of course we have to see all 10. Maybe he tried all the styles, you know, the ballad, the R&B. I'm not sure he tried rap, but this is just my assessment, I guess. Very based on very little knowledge of him as a person himself. You know, I only know his side as an Beijing opera singer and a bit of a modern singer. I know that he can sing in both ways, but honestly, in my mind, he's just a very young person who's interested in a Beijing opera. He's not very young though. He's like 20 something, so it's not like 16. But that was so surprising. Honestly, that was so surprising. I'm so happy you told me to watch that, because it was. Can I make more light here? Okay, I'm not sure it helps, but okay, there's more light now. That was so cool, and the composition itself is very good. Like dun 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 dun. I did not expect him to go very high or very low and incorporate anything from the Beijing opera. This is not what the show is about, obviously. But also, I'm very happy that China created a program. I'm not sure if this program was, like, it existed before, that does not just showcase talent of singing, which was, you know, I'm a singer. The first show I heard, I think I Am a Singer is the show created by China first, and then, like, blown by everyone else. But I'm not sure if this is the same as The Voice, or the American Idol, or the X Factor. So, I don't, no. Okay, closer to The Voice. But now, I'm a singer and composer, and we all know and love Huo, Henry, as, Beijing opera singer, but that gives him a chance to showcase, like, in a wonderful manner, to showcase his talent as a songwriter, and maybe later we'll get an album, or just at least 10 songs. I mean, that could be an album.
Hey guys, I just want to take a second to talk about the situation which I recently found out about. It's about Henry. There was a bit of a preview. Edited my reaction, blissfully ignorant of everything, and as we came to this part where I was talking about how we get some songs after he goes to some shows before that he was only interested in opera, and now he's venturing into something else. And there I thought maybe he was trying to release his music even before he got into opera, which is the case apparently. So I was not really aware of that. And at the end of Wikipedia article, it showed that he withdrawn from the industry. He decided to not pursue this career anymore or pursue it in a different direction. So that's a shocker for me. And apparently there was a scandal. We're not gonna go into a lot of details because there aren't that many details and they're all the same, honestly. So basically he had a girlfriend and now she's blackmailing him, or she blackmailed him already into giving her money, and apparently he did. And after such scandal she exposed him, or during the scandal, that he's a Casanova. So my point is, I edited the reaction, I did the reaction, I enjoyed the song still, and I just don't want to not upload this reaction because people may have conflicted feelings about him, because I don't know the public's opinion about Henry right now. Apparently he said some bad stuff about the industry altogether, which I can understand. Not to quote, but he said that those shows he has to go on reduce his potential as an artist, as a musician, and he doesn't like that, which is in some way true, I guess, for everyone. But if you're still in this industry, you have to roll with the punches, I guess. You have to do what's right for your career, and if you cannot change it, just accept it. It may be fun. You know, it's all in the attitude. And again, on the girl who blackmailed him or who extorted money from him. She's apparently not a very good person. We're still debating on whether or not Huo is a good person, but I just want you to, I think, realize that there are always two sides to every story, and Huo may be bad, and she may be bad, or they both be just misunderstand and hurt people. We don't know that exactly. We don't know what's happening, what their thoughts were, what the whole process was. We just know post factum, sort of, that he withdrawn from the industry, and I don't know whether it was not the last drop for him to just quit it, call it quits. But this is what happened. If you want me still to react to Henry in the future, of course I will, because I still like the songs. His image is not very much tainted for me because I was not that invested in the first place, and everyone has mistakes, of course. Every artist has mistakes. The problem is with celebrities, they're shown more and people talk about them more, but honestly we all do that and we all misunderstand, and whether or not he's untamed, just to reiterate, Casanova, we don't know. So on that account, we cannot know whether it's just disparaging remarks from the girl or it's true. We don't know. My point is, Henry in my eyes remained I guess a sweet little boy. Still a fine artist. He was not my favorite. He is not my favorite. He will never be my favorite, but I like him. So I hope you still like his music and his skill and talent. How he approached the situation, we can, again, debate on it for some time. Was he hurt? Was he just enraged, and he did what he had to do, I guess, to save himself? Maybe he'll return to the industry, maybe he will not. We don't know. My point is, I still hope you enjoy this reaction and not tell me that, oh, he had a scandal and, he's cancelled. Let's not do that. Maybe he is, I don't know, but I still like the music that he did and the shows that he sang. So I hope your feelings will not be affected by the scandal when you're watching this reaction, when you listen to his music. Some mistakes are forgivable, some mistakes stay with you for the rest of your life, and I hope this is not one of the latter ones. We honestly don't know what was going on behind the situation and who's to blame, but honestly, in most of the situations, both parties are to blame. No one is blameless entirely. No one is innocent. So let's just take it as it is. For now, he is absent, but his music still lives on. Yeah. And apparently, as I said, I did my research, a little research, and apparently he first got into music generally, and then he discovered Beijing opera, and suddenly he was good at it. Correct me if I'm wrong. I'm not a specialist on Huo's life and legacy. I hope you still liked my reaction. Yes, and this is November. I recorded the reaction in July. I'm very slow. But this incident happened in August, so even if I did edit the reaction on time, I still would have had to add something to it. So I'm glad I'm doing it now because, the world developed. So many things have happened. I mean, only this one. But, there have been a lot of scandals recently, hasn't it? Oh my gosh, it's so interesting, especially when you're not connected to it in any way. Anyways, this is all I wanted to say. Trust me, I know, I've read about it. We should not be, I think, talking about it more, but I just wanted you to know that I know. And give me your thoughts on the situation. I hope you're also being open-minded about it. But again, we don't know. Okay, I'm talking too much. I'll let you go now.